Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. I do beauty videos and beauty related videos and some lifestyle, just a dash here and there. But today I'm just going to do my classic holiday makeup look. I am going to be trying some new products, but hopefully it comes out looking okay. And I want to say holiday look, but some products I actually use daily. Like, we're going to be doing a red lip, and red lip is my go-to for like almost every makeup look, just because I love red lips on me. I don't know. So I'm going to take the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. This is in the color Burkina, and this color is a little yellow on me because I have very neutral skin tone. I'm not going to take a lot because if I use a lot I start looking like a grease ball, like an actual grease ball. You guys see me like first try this out, you guys seen that video, like I look like an actual grease ball. So I don't use a lot. I don't need it to be like full coverage. I'm just taking a flat foundation brush. I already have my eyebrows done just to save time. If you guys want like a full like eyebrow tutorial, let me know. I know my eyebrows aren't the best, but I do the best I can. So what do you guys want for Christmas? I do want to do like a holiday giveaway. I don't know if it's gonna be for Christmas or New Year's, but I do want to do a holiday giveaway. Cause I love giveaways. You guys know this. If you've been like a long time subscriber of mine, you know I love giveaways. Like, I literally do one like at least once or twice a month. My next video, or I don't know if this is gonna come first or what I'm talking about is gonna come first, but I am gonna be unboxing the FabFitFun winter box. Super excited for that. So that's it. That's all the foundation I need. And I give me like full coverage. Like, I didn't even use a lot. You guys seen how much I used. I did not use a lot. Now we're gonna go in eyes. We're gonna use the Juvia's Place palette. I want to use a different palette, but I couldn't find my other makeup palettes for some reason. Abella, my beautiful daughter, as you know, she likes to take my makeup and my makeup brushes and all that, and she dips off with them. She leaves them all over the house, so like they're hard to find. Especially since like I live in a townhouse, so it's like technically like 3 stories. Our rooms are on the top floor, so she takes them downstairs to the front room and then like they disappear. So I'm just gonna go in with Burkina, which is funny because that's the color shade of foundation I used today, or the same name. And I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner and drag it up to my crease. I'm using circular motions and little swiping motions. This look is not gonna look too crazy. I'm really just doing like a simple holiday glam for you guys. This thing you guys could easily do fast and quick. It won't take like a long time. And plus I need to do my makeup so I can do that unboxing video anyways. So I was like, oh, I might as well do 2 videos in one, you know? Well, 2 videos in one day. I don't know. Well, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading a lot. It's just, it's so hard to think of video ideas. And guys, like I said, you guys know I'm a mom, so like I'm literally always busy watching her. Being a parent is a full-time job. Full-time. Full-time. Okay, I want to darken up. Actually, first I'm going to go in with the second product I'm going to use, which is, I got this from the Ulta, what was it called? Advent calendar. And this is Jelly eyeshadow. And it's a silver, which is perfect for the holidays. Focus camera. There it goes. It's a silver. I'm just gonna use my hand. Excuse my busted nails. I have not done my nails. Okay, I'm just gonna put that on the inner, going halfway in. I'm not going on my whole lid. Kind of like in a triangle shape. So basically, to make this, if you're a beginner at eyeshadow or whatever, it's like a triangle. I just want to make this as easy and simple as possible for you guys. Take more. Again, we're going through that triangle shape so it doesn't get too like intense and crazy. Super pretty. I was super impressed by the Ulta advent calendar. I'm actually gonna zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better what I am doing. Now what I want to do is go in with a smaller little blending brush. I'm gonna go in a darker brown because I want to darken this up some. So I'm going with this one, which is Falani. I think that's the name of it. I'm just gonna darker the outer portion of my eye. Now that we have that done, I think it looks pretty good. We're gonna go in with some glitter. You guys know I'm obsessed with this liquid glitter. This is what it looks like. It's the Miss Metals Glitter Shock Liquid Eyeshadow. This is just like a, what's this color name? Nude and Ibiza. I'm just gonna put a little bit, just because I want it to be a little bit more glittery. Not a lot, because I still want some of that silver to show. And super pretty. You guys know I love using these. We're gonna go back and, where did I put that small brush? Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. We're gonna go back in with that brush, and with the excess color I already have, I'm just gonna put it under my eye. Put a little bit of glitter. You guys know this is like my signature. I love doing this, putting a little bit of glitter at the bottom. It just makes the look so much prettier. Whew. Again, be careful if you get this exact same glitter because it is like suspended in alcohol, I think. So it like burns. We're gonna go in with the Pat McGrath mascara. This is just a deluxe sample they sent me. Alright, I'm zoomed out now. This one right here. I'm gonna go with this brown color and a little bit of this peaches color. Put that on. Super pretty. Look at that brown. This brush also came with the thing Ulta sent me. Super pretty. Alright. We got blush. Put some on my nose. Make some color into my face. The thing I don't like about the Juvia's Place foundation is that it like completely makes you flat. Now I'm gonna go in with this highlighter. This is the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder by Wet n Wild. It's in the color Blossom Glow. This is what it looks like. Focus camera. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna keep it very high. Oh, I like that. Alright. We're actually going to take a little bit of that highlight. I'm just going to go under my brow bone. Just a little bit. There we go. Alright. And now we're going to go in with lips. I'm using the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout lip color. And this is in the color Undercover Lover. It's just a red. It's broken because Abella was playing with it. But it's just like a matte red. But like I said, I love reds. Clean it up. Alright. And this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. Let me know down in the comments what you're doing for the holidays or what you really want for Christmas. Look out for the holiday giveaway because that will be coming up very soon. Because like I said, I do want to do a holiday giveaway. I love giveaways. I love you guys and thank you guys for subscribing and supporting me and all the nice comments you guys give me. It literally makes my day, and I tell you guys that in the comments. It literally makes my day when you comment really nice stuff to me. If you have any other videos you want to see, please let me know down in the comments. Bye.